Hi everyone, so today I'm doing a DIY project for creating a moss pole for my monstera and another philodendron plants. I'm gonna create like two and see how they go first. So I got this hardware cloth and then I got some pliers, wire cutters, and I got cable ties, sphagnum moss, which I'm going to soak in water, and there's the water. So let's get started. Hey guys, so just give you a close-up. See, like I have tied it up with cable ties and I'm gonna now cut these off from here. Actually, I'm gonna use my pruning scissor because it's the best one, honestly. And I have added like 2 bamboo sticks in the end. So what it will do, it can like stick on the pot without falling all over the place. And how I have done is I have tied them as well from the inside. Hey guys, so this is the final product. I would suggest to do it when you're repotting it because there's a chance that you will damage the roots. So do it when you're repotting it because you'll have to dig a hole over there in order for the pole to go deep in there. Mine actually, so the roots are over there, so it doesn't do much damage, but I did saw there were some roots over here, so that could disturb the plant.